Hello everyone, welcome once again to Leeds YouTube channel, and with me, with great pleasure, I'd like to introduce Mr. Ayub Kutab, who's the CEO of Paidar. Let's ask him a few questions. Now my first question is that with urbanization and with poor urban planning, there is a lot of stress on, the water table, and everyone's really worried about safe drinking water and the quality of water. Now what is your expert opinion about the situation? Should we be worried?
Yes, we should be worried. Water is not safe in many areas of Pakistan by the time it gets to the house. Even if it's been disinfected at source, it can get contaminated. It does frequently get contaminated in pipes, or when it gets to the home in the upper or the lower storage tanks. So water has to be treated at home just before it's being used. That is the most effective way of treating water. There are many ways of doing it, and we teach children. Boiling is the old way that mothers used to know about, but you can also put a bottle of water in the sun for 6 to 8 hours and that will disinfect it. So it's something that's very doable, very practical, very feasible. There are many ways it can be done. The point is to make children conscious about water quality, about the water that they drink, so that they remain in good health, and share it with their friends in school, share it with children not in school, and we've had good results.
Now, we've talked about education, and that's very important. Now, what would be your message to policymakers on how to improve water quality?
Yes, the right policies can enable all of these things to happen better and faster. For messages on water quality, on sanitation, on hygiene behavior to be shared more quickly across various stratas of society, across people who speak English, but people also who don't, people who don't even speak Urdu but are in villages and just speak the local language. So there is a lot that policy can do to accelerate the spread of good water, sanitation and hygiene messages. Policies that favor practical messages, policies that enable them to be spread across the country rapidly, effectively, in a user-friendly manner. Those are good policies. Sharing knowledge, sharing the best information is, in our opinion, one of the important responsibilities of the state. As important a responsibility as providing a facility, as important as providing a basic health unit or a hospital. These are as effective as infrastructure. They are as sustainable and as essential. The point is to cut across the existing communication barriers that inhibit messages, these important messages, for getting to the busy housewife because it's made too complicated, because it's not in the appropriate language, because it's not in the proper context. It has to be made user-friendly. There's a lot of work to be done in making in Urdu, in Punjabi, in Sindhi, in Pashto, in Balochi, an opportunity to share this information where people can give feedback, where people otherwise just hear a thing and forget it. But if they can actually question you on something and you are talking to them face to face, then they can respond, then they can actually begin to own the new information. And that is frequently essential for bringing about habit change. And that is the kind of policy we would advocate.
And my last question is, what are the current water conservation challenges that Pakistan is facing?
Pakistan is a water scarce country and it needs to conserve water at all levels, from the national to the household. from the big dams down to the leaky tap at home, which can in half an hour fill up and waste several buckets of water. It's something that concerns the big governments. It's something that concerns local governments. It's also something that concerns the household. Conservation of water is a value and has to be taught across as a value that's important for us who live in an arid land. We live in a largely arid land. We are water scarce and we need to value water and conserve it.
All right, you heard the expert. He says we need to value water and conserve it. I hope that we'll take this message home and share it with our friends and family. Thank you.